the rights of women and children, equality in the family, it is often discussed in many countries. The National Commission on Family Affairs and Gender Policy under the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan operates successfully in Kazakhstan. This unique institutional mechanism was launched 20 years ago. Then President Nursultan Nazarbayev has created the Council on Family, Women and Demographic Policy in spite of the difficult transition period in the life of the country. This idea appeared in our country, in the Republic of Kazakhstan, in 1995, and it was an initiative of the President, our Elbасы, to support the institution of the family, women and children. This is a consultative body, and there are well-known women in it, who can take some decisions, influence what the process in our country. Today, the Commission carries out a lot of work to strengthen the institution of the family in our country. It identifies the main priorities, implements a comprehensive public policy on the family, equality of women and men from a regional perspective. Size and composition of the National Commission are defined by the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan himself. Mothers heroines, members of the deputy corps, politicians, members of the government, and in general this is the truly effective body that makes recommendations, which really help women, really help Kazakh families. Women in general, they play a huge role in the daily life of every citizen, not to mention the state. And it is very pleasant that in our parliament the role of women has raised high. We have up to 30% women share. When I had been here before a deputy of other convocations, we had not had so many women as in this convocation. This is good. The main document that was developed by the Commission, Gender Equality Strategy for 2006-2016 years, is successfully implemented in all regions of Kazakhstan. The Commission shall meet as necessary, but not less than once per quarter. Similar commissions have also been established under Akims of regions and the cities of Astana and Almaty. We work within the strategy of gender equality. It is equal access for men and women, equal rights to work and education here in all aspects. The model which the Commission sees in Kazakhstan for family is an egalitarian family. That is, it is equal rights, equal distribution of roles between men and women, equal responsibility for upbringing children. Kazakhstan has very strong family roots, the foundation and the traditions of the formation of the family and family values, national and ethnocultural traditions. Therefore, the Commission carries out extensive work aimed at addressing gender issues. The largest parliamentary group, Elbасы, was created, which includes 33 deputies of both chambers of the parliament. The task of the gender equality strategy is to preserve the best traditions, because we have different traditions there. However, it is the best traditions to restore, preserve in the family, and to vaccinate in a modern egalitarian family, to strengthen the marriage-family relationships, for the younger generation to see a vivid example before them. For the first time in our country, a woman became the Secretary of State, and it is clear that the President sees the need to develop gender equality, to give women first violin, so she could show her worth, how she can be a major not only in the family, but also in the state. Today, the National Commission for Family Affairs and Gender Policy produces the most effective measures to improve the status of women, children and family in the country. Kazakhstan women take an active part in the political, social, economic and cultural life of the state.